Hi there, welcome to my channel TK Graphics. Do you want to create multiple clipping mask shapes in Adobe Illustrator? In this tutorial, I will show you the fastest way to use clipping mask with multiple shapes to create a stunning design in Illustrator. Let's get started. Here is the image that is downloaded from google.com. Now I have to draw multiple square shapes on this image. Before do this, I will create a background effect on this image. So first of all, go to the left toolbar and select from here rectangle tool. Now draw a shape on the artboard and right click on the shape and click on the arrange and then send to back. Now go to the window and then swatches. Now you will find out here sources library. Now click on the sources library and then pattern, then choose basic graphics and then basic graphics line. Now you can see here some grid line. Now I will click on this grid line. This is the good, and then I will close the pop-up box. Now go to the object and then click on the lock and then selection. Now I have to draw some shapes on this image. So go to the left toolbar again and take from here rectangle tool and draw a shape on the image. Okay. Now double click on the fill color and check from here any color. I will take from here black and then go to the object and then path, then choose split into grid. Now you will find out here row and column. I have to increase row and column. Before do this, I will click on the preview option to see the live work here. Now increase row and then increase column. And this is too much. Now I have to decrease the column value and row value, and this is fine. Now I have to increase gutter, row and columns. Increase the gutter for 6 to 7. 7 is perfect, and then column gutter, keep it 7. We need to same as row and gutter column. Now click on the OK. Now go to the object and then compound, then click on the make. Now we have to select both image and shapes. Now right click on the shape and click on the make clipping mask. Now go to the window, now go to the effect and then stylize and then drop shadow. Here you can give it 75, 7 pixel, 7 pixel and then 5 pixel blur. Then OK. And there you go. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.